Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another haul, and these items are from Amazon and some from Shein. So the first thing that we have here are some false nails, and these are some nail tips. They are square nail tips, and I was looking for no C curve on them, so I came across these on Amazon and I was really excited and stoked to pick these up and see what they are all about. So they do size up to size 11, which is really good. I like how they also come in a container, and I love how they bring 500 pieces. And by the way, the reason why I purchased these was because I am going to start doing a lot of polygel tutorials with nail tips, and I'm gonna actually mold them. I'm gonna do it the way that I've always dreamt of mastering them, and I'm still working on that, and it's still like a process, but I think I'm definitely ready to do tutorials on that. I've done some practicing off camera, and I'm really happy with that. And by the way, these are what my nails are looking like, and I absolutely love them. I think they're so cute. But anyways, this is what the tip looks like, and I love how they're long, and it gives you the opportunity to cut them to whatever length you desire. And this is what they look like from the side, and then this is what they look like. This was the important part. I did not want a C curve, so I was really happy when they didn't have a C curve. So yeah, this is what they look like. Absolutely perfect, the perfect nail tip, and I'm super excited to create future videos with these. Let me see where I have 5. Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out where I got this from. Size 7 over here. So yeah, that is what that looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you like another size and just give you that overall 360 view of the nail tip. So it's literally perfect. So I'm really excited to do some polygel videos using tips. So that is that. Definitely recommend them. I will have the links for the Amazon products. So yeah, so that is the first thing that I wanted to show you guys. And the second thing, it's literally my favorite, and this is a dampen dish, and I actually been wanting a really beautiful one like this for a really long time. I've never seen a pink one like this, so when I saw it, I loved how it was pink. I usually have seen ones that are just like glass, clear glass, but I had never seen a pink one, so I was super happy to just come across it and own it. So I'm really excited to use this for when I do my polygel videos and stuff like that. I don't know if I'll ever really create acrylic videos. I do have my assortment of acrylics, but I don't know. I'm not really a fan of acrylic. I'm just trying to get more into like mastering how to mold a polygel nail, or a nail made with polygel. So yeah, for now I'm gonna be just placing my slip solution in here, or my alcohol, whatever I desire to use. But yeah, I thought this was super beautiful, and I got this at a local plaza by my house, and yeah, that was really nice, so I just had to get it. So that is that. So beautiful. I love this lotus plant. It's just stunning. Like, I always wanted one of these. Usually I have a lot of the little ones, but I always wanted a really pretty one like that. Next, we're moving on to these nail art liner brushes. I am getting into just doing more like hand nail art to the best of my ability. So definitely wanted to get, I do have a couple liner brushes I want to show you, but I feel like, so these are the ones that I have as of right now. Let me put these away. These are just some of my, but I mean, I do have, you know, my polygel brushes, and I have a lot of these type of brushes and stuff like that. Oh, I have some here as well. But I really, for some reason, wanted to try like the Beatles ones. I wanted to see, and I have some more of these type of brushes on my desk, but I really just wanted to see, like what these were about. So yeah, I decided to purchase these and they're so pretty. I really like the design. This is what it looks like. This has some like rhinestones in here, like little crystals. So I'm just gonna open them up and show you like what type of brushes they are. I haven't used them obviously, but I'm really excited to work with them. So this is what they look like. I did get these through Amazon, by the way. So this is the first one. So beautiful. Show you up close the detailing. And it says beetles on it. And then this is the first brush. You can't see because of the glare. So look how precise that is. You can do amazing nail art. Hand painted nail art. That's definitely one of my things that I want to get better at. And then we have this precise tip. So they're all precise tips, which is amazing. I just want to see the quality of them. I want to see if they're really good. And if they are, I might just buy from more brands and, you know, test those out as well. I literally have an obsession with just buying like nail stuff, and it's weird because usually people get over obsessions, but I feel like I just really enjoy it. And it's been like that for like almost 2 years. I just spent all my money on buying anything nail related, whether I use it or not. It's more about collecting at this point. But here we have this one, which is honestly one of my favorite colors. I think it's like a darker Tiffany blue, but it's like a Tiffany blue type of color. And I love the shimmer on the brush, so pretty. So here's the last tip. Really excited and looking forward to using these. So I'm really stoked to see what these are all about. And then maybe it's just some info about the brushes. Oh look, so it also explains how to use it. It says fill a small bowl with warm water, soak brush bristles in the fluid to remove the wax layer, wipe excess off on paper towel. It also explains to you how to clean them. And it also tells you what they're used for. So drawing lines, painting flowers, fine drawing, pattern designs, and nail tips. So that's really, really nice. And these are the sizes of the brushes as well. 5'7", 9'11", and 20 mm. So next, I also went ahead and purchased some nail bits. And you do see some empty slots because it only brings in 19. I'm really excited about this, because I always wanted to have these type of nail bits, this type of material. So that's pretty much why I purchased them. And also, I really like these rainbow ones. I think they're super pretty to have. I already have some, but you can never have enough. So I'm gonna start off by showing you. I'm not even sure how you open this. So it opens like that, and here you have your nail bits. So we have for the cuticle area, this is all for the cuticle area. So this is what they look like. They're very, very pretty. Oh, it seems really sharp. So yeah, that's what that looks like. And then this one is the one I'm really excited about, because I don't have these, so I'm super happy to have them. And then this is what this one looks like, the ones that you have on here. So yeah, I'm really, really excited to try these out. And I got these on sale as well, which is I was really happy about. Usually these go for $25.99, and I think I got them for $13 or $14. That was a definite steal. And then I had seen this collection had came out, so I wanted to just try some of them, the colors. So this is from Mono Ones, and this is City in Blossom by Mono Ones. That's the collection, and this brings 6 colors. And honestly, I purchased this because I believe it was on sale as well at the time. So This is what it looks like. It brings the 6 gel polishes. It also brings like, you know, how to prep them and stuff and how to use them. And it also brings like a, I think it's called like a post-it note. I don't know what, I forgot what that's called, but that's really cute. So what is this? So they are 7 ml. So they're not like the big size, but they're like the medium size. And this color looks really cool. So I thought that was really unique. I'm actually gonna swatch this really quick. Just wanna see what this looks like. I'll probably just swatch this color because it's the only like really like different color in here. I think if you ombre this, it would look cool. It looks different. It looks kind of cool. I mean, I would probably ombre this. I think it would look really nice. That's what this color looks like. And then we have this one. These are so tight. Let me see if I could try to open these. If I can, I'm sorry, but okay, they're really tight, so I can't open them at the moment. But this is what the color looks like. Then we have this color, which is really pretty. Okay, this one I can't open. This is such a beautiful bubblegum pink. So pretty. And then we have this color, which is so cute. I love colors like this. Then we have this one, which is a sparkly one. This one's so pretty. I had to get it. It's a very pretty color. And then lastly, we have this one, 005. So it's really pretty. So this is just some of the colors in their collection. Very cute. We'll definitely be placing them where I place my polishes at. So next we just have some charms from Shein. So those were all like the Amazon products. So this is from Shein. And these are really cute. I always like these mirrors. I just never purchased them. But this is what they're looking like. Let me choose. Sorry, I'm so unorganized and then everything's just falling. So here are some of like the ones it brings. Very cute. And it brings quite a few, so. Oh. I don't know where that's from, but. Okay, so next we also have these like clay looking flowers or something. They're really cute. So you get like 2 of each. I believe you get like these type of flowers. Now we have these. Then we also have these. Then we also have these. And then we have these. So it's really cute, like the ones that the springs. So we have that. Next we have these from like the Future Mermaid set. So these are like dangling charms. Put it at the end of like a nail. It's pretty big, but it's fine. So these are like the colors and stuff. They're really pretty. That's what they look like. And then we also have that one. So I thought that was unique, and I thought it would be fun to incorporate in the near future. I don't know. I always say that, yet I don't really use my like decor stuff. I don't know, like I don't really know. Can you guys tell me like what you want to watch on my channel other than hauls? Like what would you guys want to watch? Oh, these are definitely one of my favorites, and as you can see here, you get 2 of each, and they're such cute little clay fairies. You get 2 of these ones, and these are adorable. I really like these. I think they're so cute. These are adorable. I'll take these out because they're the same. I absolutely love these. Wow. Of course, one of them falls. Hopefully I find it later, but yeah. And then lastly, what we have here are these, which are really cute as well. So this is what this looks like. I just don't want this video to be so long. So you get a bunch of them. Oh, these are so beautiful. Wow, look how gorgeous these are. They have shimmer and they're jelly, like clear. Wow, these are absolutely beautiful. And I'm really happy I came across these. So this is what it would look like on your nail. Okay, you guys get it, but this is so cute. Really love these. Okay, so that is pretty much it for today's haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, tuning in, and being here and watching my content. Thank you once again. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next upload.